HP product line includes some fantastic films. Okay, these are polyester films, sometimes called PET films. There are front-lit PET films, which HP has a wonderful front-lit PET film, and they're frequently used, say, in a roll-up banner. This is a backlit PET film. It is a matte surface. It has a typical aqueous clay coating, and this is HP's polyester backlit film. The HP polyester backlit film can be downloaded right into the printer. All you have to do is buy the film and print to it. If you want stellar backlits, this is an excellent choice of product. Backlit printing on an HP latex printer is an aqueous affair. There are backlits that are developed for UV printers. There are backlits developed for solvent printers. This is a water-based printer, so you would look for an aqueous backlit. A traditional aqueous backlit coating will usually be a type of clay coating. It will tend to be matte finish, and this is a hallmark matte finish type of film. Be careful with a lot of these other backlit films, solvent and UV. They do not work as advertised. They'll frequently re-wet. You can't put enough ink down on them. It's because the coating is not helping you. In this case, the coating was developed to be highly compatible with the latex, and with this film, you can just load it in, print it, get the results, beautiful blacks, wonderful saturation. You're not going to deal with those issues. Now, I realize it's a matte finish, but in most light boxes, the acrylic face is going to determine whether it's gloss or matte, not the print. So even if this is matte, you can still put an acrylic face on it, which is what secures it into the backlit, and so the matte is not going to matter one bit. If it's not going to have an acrylic face, you can always laminate this, and that will give it much greater face durability. That coating is necessary to put the large ink load down. With all backlit printing, you're usually printing 185% density or more. In order to put that much ink down on a material, you have to slow it down, and in this case, it's a coating assist that allows all that ink to lay on here. This is using much more ink than you would need on a frontlit because it's going to be illuminated into a backlit light box. Again, this is the HP polyester backlit film. It's been in our portfolio for a long time. It's an excellent product, highly recommended.